If you want to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, opening an account with a cryptocurrency exchange is a great way to start. Crypto exchanges function similarly to online brokerage platforms, providing you with the tools you need to buy and sell digital currencies and tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, it's important to look at factors such as supported assets, fees, payment methods, and security. To help you find the right exchange, we considered these factors when selecting this list of the best cryptocurrency exchanges. Like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. What is a crypto exchange and how does it work? A crypto exchange is a marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, or Dogecoin. Cryptocurrency exchanges work a lot like other trading platforms that you may be familiar with. They provide you with accounts where you can create different order types to buy, sell, and speculate in the crypto market. Some crypto exchanges support advanced trading features like margin accounts and futures trading, although these are less commonly available to US-based users. Others have features like crypto staking or crypto loans that allow you to earn interest on your crypto holdings. The best exchanges offer educational offerings to help keep you up to date on all things crypto. Now, let's take a look at our selection of the best crypto exchanges. Coinbase, best for beginners. Pros: intuitive, user-friendly interface and easy purchase process. A broad assortment of educational material. Wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Cons: higher fees, complex fee structure. Why we chose it. We chose Coinbase as the best crypto exchange for beginners because of its easy-to-use interface, extensive educational material on everything from blockchain to volatility, and robust security features. If you're familiar with crypto, chances are you've already heard of Coinbase. The exchange is one of the largest and most well-known in the US, and its debut on the public market last year was seen by many as a legitimization of the crypto market. The Coinbase platform does a great job of lowering the barrier to entry for investing in crypto, with a straightforward onboarding process that eases users into trading. At the same time, its interface makes navigating the platform and managing crypto a seamless experience. Coinbase also features a comprehensive and accessible variety of learning materials. Users are encouraged to use these resources through the Coinbase Earn program, which teaches how to trade specific cryptocurrencies and rewards users with free crypto. Lastly, the exchange's security features are worth mentioning. Coinbase uses two-factor authentication on all versions of its platform, stores 98% of customers' crypto offline, and has an insurance policy to protect custodial accounts of up to $250,000, which is in line with per-depositor FDIC coverage limits. Such robust measures are why Coinbase is ultimately worth it, despite the higher fees. Users who enjoy Coinbase but would like more advanced trading and charting features may want to look at the company's other exchange platform, Coinbase Pro. Binance, best for low fees. Pros: highly affordable trade and conversion fees, advanced trading charts and data graphs, high-speed trade execution. Cons: limited coin variety compared to its international version, not supported in all US states. Why we chose it. We chose Binance US as the best crypto exchange for low fees because it features one of the most generous fee structures across all the trading platforms we considered. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, and its domestic counterpart, Binance US, offers many of its parent company's advantages. One of its biggest attractions is a competitive maximum 0.1% maker-taker fee. This fee starts low and keeps getting lower as your trading volume increases. Binance US also offers discounts for using the company's proprietary cryptocurrency, BNB, to buy and sell other coins. For those who want to buy crypto directly, many of the exchange's cryptocurrencies are purchasable with US dollar, saving you money in conversion fees. This variety of discounts and purchase options benefits advanced users who may also enjoy the platform's comprehensive market dashboards, margin trading, and a variety of order types, including limit orders, market orders, and stop limit orders. Crypto.com, best for security. Pros: outstanding cybersecurity infrastructure. Low fees if your account is funded with cash transfers. Large selection of crypto assets. Cons: expensive credit and debit purchases. Some services are not available in the US. No crypto-to-crypto trading options. Why we chose it. We chose Crypto.com as the best crypto exchange for security because of its multiple layers of protection against crypto fraud and cyber attacks. Most reputable crypto exchanges feature a solid cybersecurity infrastructure, but this is where Crypto.com stands out. The exchange is ranked first in the cybersecurity ranking and the certification platform's top 100 exchanges by cybersecurity rating. Crypto.com employs various techniques to keep users' cryptos secure on its trading platform, including offline cold storage for all crypto, a regulated custodian bank account for traditional currency, and regular software peer review. It also uses multi-factor identification with a password, biometric, email, phone, and authenticator verification. In addition, its platform has completed several penetration tests, which are simulated cyber attacks performed to evaluate system security, and has shown proof of its funds over the years. Security isn't Crypto.com's only attraction. The exchange offers the largest selection of currencies among all the companies in our list, over 250 coins. Other noteworthy features are its non-custodial DeFi wallet, which allows users to send crypto at their preferred speed and earn interest on tokens, margin trading, prepaid Visa cards to spend crypto, and crypto loans. Best for earning interest. BlockFi. Pros: earn monthly interest payments on your cryptocurrencies. US-based and regulated, and institutionally backed. No commission or monthly account fees. Cons: available products vary widely from state to state. Interest accounts have limited free withdrawals. Why we chose it. We chose BlockFi as the best crypto exchange for earning interest because it allows users to earn interest on their crypto and borrow money using Bitcoin as collateral. Where most crypto exchanges offer bonuses and discounts for high-volume trading, BlockFi has chosen to create financial products that cater to conservative traders instead. The exchange's main highlight is its BlockFi interest account, offering up to 9.5% APY as monthly compounding interest to crypto investors who store their assets in their account. The platform also lets users use existing Bitcoin as collateral for a loan. In addition to its novel financial products, BlockFi also features an affordable fee structure and a strong cybersecurity infrastructure. The exchange charges spread fees and withdrawal fees, but no transaction fees for trading on its exchange. To keep your data secure, BlockFi uses tools such as two-factor authentication and allow listing, which lets users ban withdrawals or restrict them to certain addresses to avoid theft. Consumers should keep in mind that decentralized finance, DeFi, products and services like BlockFi carry significant risks related to the technology of the software, the assets involved, and compliance with regulators. Best decentralized exchange. Bisq. Pros: supports trades with a broad selection of coins and traditional currencies. Wide variety of payment methods. Short verification process. Cons: the mobile version only works for notifications. Must trade with Bitcoin or BSQ only. Why we chose it. We chose Bisq as the best decentralized exchange because it follows the ethos of Bitcoin best by maintaining an open source platform that is completely decentralized without limiting currency support. Formerly known as BitSquare, Bisq brings the clean, easy-to-use interface and vast coin support of centralized exchanges to a decentralized environment. The platform is built on open source software, meaning its design is publicly available, and the project is funded by personal savings and donations from its community of users. Bisq doesn't need a third party to conduct cryptocurrency transactions, nor does it require users to submit personal information to trade on the platform. It's an excellent alternative for Bitcoin fans looking for a wide variety of coins to trade with, including altcoins like Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin. It's not typical for decentralized exchanges to support so many digital assets and fiat currency. Additionally, the platform's security features, such as multi-signature and security deposit system, enhance the inherent safety and privacy of decentralized exchanges by ensuring that both parties act honestly and have complete control of their funds during the trading process. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this.